Hello friends! Welcome back to another video of Easy Fun English. Today we're gonna learn about English verbs. Let's go!
I eat. I eat. Repeat after me. I eat. I eat. I drink. I drink. Repeat after me. I drink. I drink. I do my homework. Repeat after me. I do my homework. I do my homework. I listen to music. Repeat after me. I listen to music. I listen to music. I cook. Repeat after me. I cook. I cook. I cook. I clean the table. Repeat after me. I clean the table. I clean the table. I paint. Repeat after me. I paint. I paint. I play with my friends. Repeat after me. I play with my friends. I play with my friends. I go shopping. Repeat after me. I go shopping. I go shopping. I throw the trash. Repeat after me. I throw the trash. I throw the trash. I watch TV. Repeat after me. I watch TV. I watch TV. I comb my hair. Repeat after me. I comb my hair. I comb my hair. I slide. Repeat after me. I slide. I slide. I slide. I swim. Repeat after me. I swim. I swim. I go fishing. Repeat after me. I go fishing. I go fishing. I go to school. Repeat after me. I go to school. I go to school. I sing. Repeat after me. I sing. I sing. I mop the floor. Repeat after me. I mop the floor. I mop the floor. I hug. Repeat after me. I hug. I hug. I change my clothes. Repeat after me. I change my clothes. I change my clothes. I walk. Repeat after me. I walk. I walk. I run. Repeat after me. I run. I run. I visit my grandparents. I visit my grandparents. Repeat after me. I visit my grandparents. I jump. I jump. Repeat after me. I jump. I jump. I clap. I clap. Repeat after me. I clap. I clap. I wave. I wave. Repeat after me. I wave. I wave. I laugh. I laugh. Repeat after me. I laugh. I laugh. I cry. I cry. Repeat after me. I cry. I cry. I bake. I bake. Repeat after me. I bake. I bake. I read. I read. Repeat after me. I read. I read. I count. I count. Repeat after me. I count. I count. I cut. I cut. Repeat after me. I cut. I cut. I glue. I glue. Repeat after me. I glue. I glue. I talk. I talk. Repeat after me. I talk. I talk. I play the drums. I play the drums. Repeat after me. I play the drums. I play the drums. I play the harmonica. I play the harmonica. Repeat after me. I play the harmonica. I play the harmonica. I play the violin. I play the violin. Repeat after me. I play the violin. I play the violin. I play chess. I play chess. Repeat after me. I play chess. I play chess. I play cards. I play cards. Repeat after me. I play cards. I play cards. I play football. I play football. Repeat after me. I play football. I play football. I play basketball. I play basketball. Repeat after me. I play basketball. I play basketball. I play tennis. I play tennis. Repeat after me. I play tennis. I play tennis. I play baseball. I play baseball. Repeat after me. I play baseball. I play baseball. I play volleyball. I play volleyball. Repeat after me. I play volleyball. I play volleyball. I play video games. I play video games. Repeat after me. I play video games. I play video games. I fold my clothes. I fold my clothes. Repeat after me. I fold my clothes. I fold my clothes. I play in the park. I play in the park. Repeat after me. I play in the park. I play in the park. I swing. I swing. Repeat after me. I swing. I swing. I build. I build. Repeat after me. I build. I build. I build. I throw. I throw. Repeat after me. I throw. I throw. I catch. I catch. Repeat after me. I catch. I catch. I dance. I dance. Repeat after me. I dance.
Hello, hello! Are you ready to learn the English alphabets along with some examples? Let's go!
A. Apple. A. Apple. B. Ball. B. Ball. C. Cat. C. Cat. D. Dog. D. Dog. E. Elephant. E. Elephant. F. Fish. F. Fish. G. Goat. G. Goat. H. Hat. H. Hat. I. Ice. I. Ice. J. Jump. J. Jump. K. Kite. K. Kite. L. Lion. L. Lion. M. Moon. M. Moon. N. Nose. N. Nose. O. Orange. O. Orange. P. Pizza. P. Pizza. Q. Queen. Q. Queen. R. Rain. R. Rain. S. Sun. S. Sun. T. Tree. T. Tree. U. Umbrella. U. Umbrella. V. Van. V. Van. W.
Water.
W.
Water.
X. Fox. X. Fox. Y. Yellow. Y. Yellow.
C. Zebra. C. Zebra.
Let's go over them once again. Repeat after me.
A. Apple. B. Ball. C. Cat. D. Dog. E. Elephant. F. Fish. G. Goat. H. Hat. I. Ice. J. Jump. K. Kite. L. Lion. M. Moon. N. Nose. O. Orange. P. Pizza. Q. Queen.
R.
Rain. S. Sun. T. Tree. U. Umbrella. V. Van. W.
Water.
X. Fox. Y. Yellow.
C. Zebra.
Welcome back to another video. Hope you're doing great. In today's video, we're going to learn about animals. What is this animal called? Great job.
A. Cat. A cat.
What is this animal called? Great job.
A. Dog. A dog.
What is this animal called? Great job.
A. Cow. A cow.
What is this animal called? Great job.
A. Horse. A horse.
What is this animal called? Great job.
A. Duck. A duck.
Quack. Quack.
What is this animal called? Great job.
A. Lion. A lion.
What is this animal called? Great job!
A. Bird. A bird.
What is this animal called? Great job!
A. Fish. A fish.
What is this animal called? Great job!
An elephant. An elephant.
What is this animal called? Great job!
A. Monkey. A monkey.
What is this animal called? Great job!
A. Tiger. A tiger.
What is this animal called? Great job!
A. Bear. A bear.
What is this animal called? Great job!
A. Frog. A frog.
What is this animal called? Great job!
A. Sheep. A sheep.
What is this animal called? Great job!
An owl. An owl.
What is this animal called? Great job!
A. Penguin. A penguin.
What is this animal called? Great job!
A. Snake. A snake.
What is this animal called? Great job!
A. Bunny. A bunny.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to see more educational videos.